Who's driving no lucky, they're gonna get out.
Swim!
No!
That's gonna be close to us there.
Yeah. No, out!
We'll see shit flying everywhere.
Yeah.
When you're pulling, you like going.
Here it goes!
Here we go!
Going back up, Nancy. Right over your shoulder, recording.
Worst case scenario is your ear I'm back here, we better not hear the shit. Worst case scenario is that your ear hurts. Check out though, man. Everybody here has a glove.
We're doing a test run.
Better do a test run. Me and Ryan's been learning to paint.
Come on, man, my battery is gonna run.
They're like, man, we don't want to blow up on this field. That wouldn't be cool.
Let us know when you're getting ready.
I'll listen to Jake get his.
Oh, he's got the lighter out.
They're getting ready to see it, man. It's cool.
It's on now.
I'm watching it right now.
Alright, here we go. There we go.
Lioness.
Don't let the wind affect you.
You can't see nail in your fucking.
Yeah, light it. He's trying. There's spark. Oh, look out. It's on. There it is.
Oh, shit!
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit!
It's another fucking dud. God damn it. Right? Nah, come on.
Turn this.
That's funny. Hey, Alex, the flotation bus is still good.
Oh my god.
Look at that into me. You go right on that thing now.
That's some funny shit. There's no more tiger there.
Oh my god.
Gone.
Somebody grab me a bandana. See some
What happened to the tiger?
2016, here we are.
Yeah.
Alright, time to pick up, bro.
Shit, man, if they go.
Yeah,
Telescope just right.
Yeah.
We're gonna send you all out for a rake. Good shit.
Oh, that smells like alcohol.
I'll get it, didn't it?
That was nice though, like I felt the initial buildup, and then it lasted longer than I thought it was gonna be. So at that point, it's just all reactionism. Where is it gonna boom? Boom! Boom!
What happened?
Hop in.
What happened?
Give me a fucking net. Let's get some of this. Yo, bring me a bandana.
For real, bro.
I will have a fucking tiger bandana. I will wear it when I fucking put my ass off and then paint.
No, out!
Good job, guys. That was fucking great. That's awesome.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna get a picture of that
when I hear
raft.
that.
I'll tell you what, like, there's a lot of fucking foam in that water.
Yeah, hold on.
Now throw one down.
Oh, wow, he's even got
the
little
tiger's
pieces
amazing.
left.
Look, there he is. These feet are straight up.
Oh, yeah, you should know the hide's still intact.
That poor tiger. That's alright.
He's far too hard.